Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Klarna one-time card. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So using your Klarna one-time card is actually pretty easy. So if you use a debit card or a credit card previously, then Klarna one-time cards worked the same thing. Now from your Klarna one-time card, you'll have your card number as well as the expiration date and the CVV code. So from there, you just need to get those details, and whenever you're paying for something, you just need to enter those details from your Klarna one-time card and you'll be able to use that card. So it's pretty simple. You could use it just like any card. So to see your card details, you could go ahead and open up your Klarna application and log into your account, and from there you should be able the option for your card and you'll be able to see your details, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.